Hey YouTube, my name's Tom Donahue. Welcome to my channel. I've been a developer for about 15 years, mostly working in Java, and more recently around containers, Kubernetes, and DevOps. On this channel, I post tutorials and bite-sized videos for developers and engineers like you. There'll be videos along the way on things like Apache Camel, containers, and enterprise integration. My goal is to help you learn open source technology, and I want to give back to a community that helped me learn over the past 15 years. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe now and you'll get a new video whenever I post it. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye.